Oh man, you're gonna be glad you saw this video. So I'm gonna show you an app that lends up to $500 with no credit check and virtually no paperwork. So I'll make this one quick, but there are a few things you're gonna wanna know in order to qualify. So be sure and watch the whole video. What's going on YouTube? Welcome to Currency Counts, where I cover all things money. So before we begin, I invite you to subscribe. It motivates me to keep creating content just like this. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So the loan we're talking about today is from Chime. So Chime just announced that they're gonna be rolling out a loan program where they don't check your credit and there's virtually no paperwork. The only thing you need to have is a Chime account in good standing. Now, if you don't have a Chime account, all you need to do is sign up through the link in my description. So what is Chime if you're not familiar with it? It's a mobile online banking platform, and I've used Chime for over 3 years now, and that's really my go-to debit card. And this is some exciting news because even before this loan with no credit check, Chime was a pretty good bank account because as long as you had direct deposit into your Chime account, they covered you up to $200 with no overdraft fees. So if you've ever had a bank account where your overdraft, you go over even $10, they're gonna charge you as much as $40. With Chime, they're gonna cover you up to $200 and there's absolutely no overdraft fees at all. On top of that, they have a secured credit card. So if you have bad credit and are trying to rebuild that credit, all you have to do is put $5, $10 onto that card, transferred instantly from your Chime checking account, and it's gonna report to the 3 major credit bureaus. And to take it one step further, that secured credit card also has overdraft protection. Now they're upping their game even more, competing with apps like Cash App and Dave, also offering no credit check loans. So what do you need to qualify? As I mentioned, you'll need a Chime account. If you don't have a Chime account, you can sign up through the link in my description. Next, you'll need to sign up direct deposit. And to sweeten the pot for you, when you sign up with Chime through the link in my description and set up direct deposit, you'll receive $100 for doing nothing else, signing up for Chime, setting up direct deposit, and following a few simple steps. So as of this video, there is a waiting list for the Chime MyPay feature. So make sure you sign up and get your place in line. And that's really all you need. Sign up for Chime, set up direct deposit, and this $500 no credit check loan is gonna be rolling out shortly. The way you apply for this loan is crazy. All you need to do is go to your Chime account, submit the amount you wanna apply for, accept terms, and your money will be instantly deposited into your checking account. That's it. No long application, no waiting for your funds to deposit. You have your money deposited instantly into your Chime bank account. So that's pretty much it. I saw Chime was rolling out this $500 no credit check loan, and I just had to share it with you. So I hope this video was helpful. I want to thank you for watching. Links in description. See you next time.